You can apply. You can see from the last class, this is what we did. We created a table and we centered everything. We use the text align. If you want to align vertically, we can also do that. We can say vertical align. We give it center, okay. But this is okay. We leave it like that. But what we have to remove is the spaces between the borders. See that it doesn't make it look nice. So we have to add some styles to it. I will take off all these things. Table. This is sorry. I want this. Okay. Table.html. Then table.css. So here in the border, 1 pixel solid. So we have to apply what we call border collapse. Okay. Say border collapse. Border collapse. You see that? Border collapse. See the border collapse there. See border collapse. Border collapse, collapse here. See collapse. So what it means is that we don't want the collapse. We don't want these lines. When I refresh, see that they are gone. We don't have any separation between the cells. They are just one line separated. So the table, I want to give it margin top of 50 pixels. Okay. So if I save and refresh, I want it to be separated. Then I can position it. I can say position absolutes. Okay. Then I give the left. I want to center the table. I can use center. I'll give maybe 40%, 35%, 35%. I'm just going to align it in the center for me. Okay. This is not the center, but it looks cool. I make it 30% instead of 35. You bring it back a little. Okay, this is looking some cool, kind of cool. So we can give them padding. Can give padding to this. Okay, padding is the spaces between the content of the table and the border. Okay, now it looks like the top one. The okay, we can give okay, we can give a padding to only the th. So I will remove it. What we have is okay. So I can call the th. I will say th. Okay, I give it padding of maybe 10 pixels or maybe 8 pixels. I'll save now because you see that they are not separated. See that now it makes it look good. We can also give the background color. Okay, we can give them background color. What color do we want? You can give it light green or green. Okay, so that see that okay, or lime. This green not good. I can say lime. Okay, give it. See that whatever you want to give, you can give color. Okay, so this is we are separated the heading from the table. The table, if you like, we can give it a stripe. You know, striped. I hope you know striped. When I say striped, I'm talking about stripe, like you know the zebra. It has two colors. So we can call the table rows and give them some style. what we do, I can call the table row. Say tr. Okay. I can give background color. Okay. I want to give background color so that you see what I'm talking about here. Of light gray or gray. Let me make it gray. Okay. Gray like this. Okay. This is if you want to give only one line like that. This is for everything. The rows, one row, second row, it will affect every row. So if you want to give it a stripe, stripe, okay, line, different colors for different row. So we can say, okay, we can say, we can use pseudo classes, trmf child, env child, env child, okay, trmf child, okay. Then we give, maybe we say even. I hope you know even. Even start from maybe 0 to 6. All will be colored the same thing. So look at that. See that the even is 2, 4, 6. This is a striped. If I want also, I can say trm child. Okay, I will say odd. For every odd number, I want to give it a background color of, okay, I will say light slate gray. Okay, if I save, look at what we're gonna get. See that? So this is a striped table. Can you see that? Can you see that now? So we can control the coloring. This make the table. You can read them line by line, whatever color you want to give. If you like, you can give background color to the entire table. Then you do it for only one. Okay. If you give background color to the table, you give background color of black. Okay. Then I'll remove this, the even. Okay. For the even, I'll give it white. Save here. Then here I'll just comment it so that we are going to get black and white table. Okay, but the problem here is that the text is in black. So where there is black, you can make the text where there is in black, we can make the text, the color of the text white. So let's say color of white. So look at this, there will be problem also. So this one will not be seen. So here, the even part, I'll give color of black. Okay, color of black, or what color, whatever color you want to give. See this, see that now. All these are different ways of styling. Okay, you can give the color that you want. Do you think I'm just using any color, these colors to demonstrate? Okay, this is a striped colors. Okay.
Sir, can you show the code, sir, how to center the table in the middle of the page?
Yeah, this is what I did. I gave a position absolute. Okay. Then I say left 30%. But if we want also, you can use in the HTML, that's not the best way. You can use center tag here. Okay. Center tag. I hope you know the center from the first one we did it.
Yes.
It says center, but that is not the right way to do it. You put center down there. You close it. don't want that way. If you want to use CSS to style, you can use margin to control, to center it. But you have to make sure that this table is inside, the table is giving width. If I give margin, look at this. If I close this position, I comment it, and I give margin. Margin, since I have given the table a width, margin of 0 pixel O2. Okay, but I gave margin top already. So here, instead of I can give I can give this one 50 pixels. And comment this part. Save it now. Watch what we're gonna get. See, it is now at the center. Hawari, are you okay?
Yes.
This will give it center. What it did was not centered. Okay, if you want to center the table at the center of the page, you give the table a width less than the entire width of the page. Then you give margin 0 pixels or 2, or maybe any value or 2. Let me explain this to you. If you look at this, what it means is that 0 pixel or 2 means that, okay, the top and the down should have 50 pixels. Okay, remember, if I put another content inside, it will not come directly with the table. It will come after 50 pixels after the table. Okay, so let's say I just put some text here. You see what I mean here. So if I put something here, save it now. Watch what I'm gonna get. See that it is the space between this table to this content is 50 pixels. That is the margin top, the margin bottom. Then the margin top is the space between here to here, and is controlled by this 50 pixel I gave, this one. And the auto here means that it means automatically portion the left and the right the same. Okay, so if it is 600 pixels and the entire width is 1000, then there will be left over of 400 pixels. So it's going to divide 200 here, 200 here, making the content in the center. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is how to center your content. If you want to center, this is the key magic, the magic here. Okay, margin. This one you give the width and give the margin. Okay, this one. I will remove it to center it. Or use the position absolute. Okay, the position absolute. Then you use left and right to control the position. Okay, I will show you how to use positioning absolute and relative. Okay, you see that. So this is let me show you update on what I was doing. This is a project I was doing. I hope you liked it. You see that this is a project they have given me. Masjid al-Imam Lamim Rahimahullah. See that Alabakumas. They gave me this to do for them. I'm doing fi sabilillah. If you need websites, okay? If you need website, if your fathers need website, anything, you can tell them that you can design for them, okay? Or you yourself, you are learning, you can design for them, right? Is that clear, boys? So I am still designing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm still designing the website. This is the website I'm designing. Okay. So can you see that now? This is a nice form. Contact form, full name, email, contact, then the message here. Okay. Then you click on send to send it. Okay. Okay. Anyway, this is just by the way. So let's get back to our table. So the next thing that we need to do is to add hover effect. Okay, add hover effect. Okay, how do you add hover effect? Okay, the same using the same color, we can add hover effect here. Okay, I can call this, copy this like this. Can you see me now? Yeah. I will say TR. I will put TR over. Okay. Then then I'll be specific with the even one. Okay. So I say background color of since the table is background color is black. So I'll give background color of white. White, then color of black. Okay. Watch what we are going to get here, but there will be mishkila. See, when we get to this, nothing will change, okay? Because, see, because it's the same thing. So you see that? So if we want to change this one, so here we will control this one. Just say, okay, control this heaving over. Then we'll make this white. The background becomes what? Black, and the text becomes white. So that's I hope you're seeing what we are doing. Look at this. Sorry if there is no error. Let's check if there is no error. Sorry, I didn't add over there. Okay, over. So I will save now. See what we are getting. But this doesn't look nice because it will still be black there up. So the best thing is to give them different color altogether. So this doesn't need, we don't need this. I'll take this off. Then I'll do for the entire table. So instead of white, I can say, okay, blue. And the color, the text color should be white. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. We are doing here. Okay, so you see that. Does this look nice? Okay.
Yes, sir. This looks really good.
So here we can also add it to the. We can add it to the TH. Okay, we can give them also. I hope this is clear to us. This is how to style a table to make it look nice. We can do more, okay? We can control the curve, okay, here, border radius. I will give the table border radius. Border, okay, border radius. Border radius of maybe 3 pixels to make the table curve. Look at that. This is sharp if you want to make it curve. See, it's curvy now. Okay, border radius. Sorry, I didn't add the border radius. It should be border radius, not border. I'll save this. Now the border radius is applied. Border radius of 3 pixels. This is too small. 10 pixels will be okay. Border radius. Okay. Let me check it well. Border radius. Okay, border radius of 10 pixels. Should be up. It's not displaying, but I'll check it later. So do we have to add over effect on this, or we should leave it like that? So if you like, we can add over effect on this one also. I'll copy it and add it over effect. I'll say TH over, then I'll give background color of white. Okay. When we overwrite, we want to give it a background color of white. Background color of white and the color of line. So background color of white. So see that what we are getting. That is the over effects on that. Here also, if you want to control the cells, you can do that. Now this is row by row. Is this clear to us? Do we understand the concepts? Any question, my boys?
No questions, sir.
So we can add many things here. We can add, that is the striped. We can add, if you like, we can remove the border, okay? We can remove the border from the rows, okay? Or from the cells. So here, if you want, we can remove border from the cells here. If I remove this, see, look at what we're going to get here. See that look cool. Can you see that, voice? This is okay. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You see the division of these things is gone, but this look cool. Here, what did I do? I remove only the TD. I remove only the TD. Is that clear with us now? So at this moment, we will keep in the class. If you want to give us more questions, do you have a question?
No questions, sir.
So do we now understand tables? There are a lot of things that we can do, okay? We can also add a box shadow to this when we over. When we over on this, we can add box shadow. You can say box shadow, okay? Box shadow of 3 pixels, 3 pixels, 3 pixels, or let's say 2 pixels, 0 pixels, RGBA of 0. We want to give a shadow of black 0.34. Save now. Watch what we're gonna do here. See, now it's going to raise it. We can also give it Z index. Z index of maybe 50, so that it will raise the table. This one. Okay, we will give, because you see that, let's give more on this one, the spread 50. Watch it. Okay. and give this one also 3 pixels. But this look too much. We'll remove this 3 pixels. Give this one 10. Or maybe if we want it cool, we can just use our own, or we can give it to the table. Can you see that? Give it to the table only. Give it to the table. Give the box shadow to the table. I'll cut it and put it to the table only. So that it will look like it's raised. See that? Can you see that now? See our table, how it looks like.
Yes.
Maybe this one, I'll give a spread of 2. Is this cool?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you show the code, sir? Like, sir, when you hover, sir, in Omar, sir, the color change, the font color change from black to white, sir. How will you do it, sir?
When you change from black to white.
Yes, like Abu Bakr, sir. Like when you went, Abu Bakr, like his font color is black, sir. When you hover on him, sir, it became white. Sir, how did you do it?
Abu Bakr, this. Where's Abu Bakr? This one.
Yes, I'm working here also.
No, not you. Awari, fast. You don't have time. Quickly. Ask your question, Awari.
Sir, when you don't hover on Abu Bakr, sir, his text color is black, sir. But when you hover on him, sir, it became white. How did you do it, sir?
The text color or the background color?
Text color.
Yeah, we gave hover effect. Okay, we say okay. The over TR. Okay, the TR we gave the even. Okay, TM child to make it stripe. You see the stripe. Okay, the stripe. Black, white, black, white, black, white. White on black, black on white, white on black, black on white, up to the end. But the over effect is the same for all. We gave it here, TR, T rule, okay, over this one. See? Can you see that, Hawari? Then we gave a background color of blue. Okay, background color of blue, and the color is white. The color is for the text color, and the background color is the background. I gave this. Sorry, I gave this. I gave this TR over, meaning table row over. Eh? Can you see that? If you like, we can also give TD over, TD over, TD over. This over is a pseudo class. I can give background color, okay, of maybe red, so that when you over the cell, okay, it should be red. See, though everything is blue, but only the cell is red. See that? That is the cell over, okay? I hope this is clear to us.
Yes.
But I just do it to explain to you. I will remove it by commenting on it. The /2 of them will comment it. This look nice. My boys, I hope everyone has understood it. Is it clear with us?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, thanks. See you in the next class. We will look at how to style forms and the rest. Okay, please be taking note to understand all the things that we are doing, because we will use it in making our project in grade 10. Okay. Mhm. Okay. We will use this in making our project in grade 10. And everything will be cool pass. Okay. Any question? We have less than 4 minutes to end the class.
No questions, sir.